Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to drop a quick TA on DogeCoin and just kind of let you guys know what I think is going to happen next. Um, as you guys know, last time that I actually told you guys that we had a small run up, I said, we're gonna we're gonna go from here, from the 3 cent level, and we're gonna hit the 5 cent level, which is basically where we're at right now and what we're trending at. I think as of right now, we are headed again upwards towards the eight cent level. I think we're headed towards the 7 cent, 7.5 cent level. Why? Because we actually crossed bearish on the 4-hour MACD, and we've been trading sideways, if not actually up. We actually crossed this down here at the 4 cent level, and guess what? We're actually right now at almost 5 cents. So, and we're actually about to cross the force. We're actually about to cross the 4-hour MACD towards the bullish side, and also we are creating. It looks like we are creating bottoms. Man, why isn't this showing, dude? It looks like we are creating bottoms here down in the stochastic. So honestly, it does look like we're headed up. It looks like we're headed back to around the 8 cent level. As soon as this thing crosses, we're going to be going in the upwards direction. At least that's what I think, right? Because there's way too much bullish momentum to not, right? Especially on the 4-hour chart. Like it looks, we were supposed to go down on the 4-hour chart. We didn't. We're trading sideways. If actually we're trading up, right? We crossed here. We were at 0.45, and now guess what? We're at 0.49, and that's all after crossing the MACD on the bearish side. So I do think as of right now, we're well on our way headed towards the 7 cent, if not 8 cent level. And that's basically what I said last time. I said we're gonna run up again. We're probably gonna touch the 5 cent level. We're gonna consolidate here. We're gonna consolidate here. We're gonna consolidate here around the around the 4 cent, 5 cent level. And then from there, we need to gauge momentum, see what's gonna happen, and then we're gonna blast off again. So if you guys were looking at buying into DogeCoin, I would strongly suggest you guys fill your positions right now before we blast off towards the 7.5, 8 cent level. I mean, I'm just telling you guys what the chart is showing me, right? Last time I told you guys I was right. The day before, the time before that, I was right again. I'm just letting you guys know. I'm not biased, right? Like I try not to be biased. I try just to tell you guys exactly what I see on the charts, and it does look like right now we're consolidating and we're getting ready to go back up towards. Whoops, they don't want to move that. We're getting ready to go back up towards the 7.5, 8 cent level. That's exactly what I think is going to happen. Mind you, it might not happen, but it definitely is something that can, right? And as soon as we break, also, we're trending in this level of, the 7.3, 2 cent level, right? As soon as we break this, as soon as you guys see this little like purple box that I made, there's like this little purple box that I made, right? This little purple box, right? Oh man. So you can see it on the week chart, right? So this little purple box right here, I'll make it smaller for you guys so it's a lot easier for some people to see. It's on the day chart. Let's see if I can break this down a little bit easier. So the 4 hours, still too long, I think. Yeah, it's way too long. Anyways, but yeah, we need to break this we need to break this section, right? Once we break this, I do think we're headed straight to 10 cents. But that's not going to be soon unless we actually hit the 8 cent level again. But yeah, just letting you guys know, if you guys want to start picking up a position, I do think that right now is a solid time to actually buy. Even right here on the MACD before, you can see that we're actually consolidating right now, right? We're actually creating, weaker and weaker bullish movements. Actually, it's a little bit stronger than the bearish movement, right? But it's, down here, you guys can see on the MACD, it's you have this bearish movement down here, a little bit weaker, and then over at the end over here, a little even weaker bearish movement over here. So I do think right now we're basically set to shoot past this level and actually go straight back to 8 cents. Even right here where we're testing this former high of the 7 cent level, we crossed it. We're creating higher highs, higher lows, and I think this is the perfect time if you're gonna buy something or you're gonna buy doggy. I think this is the perfect time. I do think we're well underway of going back to the 8 cent level. So I'll see you guys later.